press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Good afternoon, students. Today let us discuss the standard angles. Standard angles. What are these standard angles? The angles which lie in the first quadrant, that too some angles which lie in the first quadrant are considered to be the standard angles. Among those, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. These only 5 angles which lie in the first quadrant can be considered as the standard angles. First quadrant, first rotation, that is also important. As you know, the values of these standard angles, sine, cos, tan. Sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is 1 by 2, sine 45 is 1 by root 2, sine 60 is root 3 by 2, sine 90 is 1. Similarly, if you read from the backward direction, cos 0 is 1, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2, cos 90 is 0. Sine divided by cos gives you the value of tan. 0 divided by 1, 0. Tan 0 is 0. 1 divided by root 3, tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Tan 45 is 1, tan 60 is root 3, tan 90 is infinity. So these angles can be considered as the trigonometric functions of standard angles. By knowing the standard angles of sine function, you can come to know the standard angles of cosecant function. Similarly, by knowing cos function angles, you can come to know the secant function angles. Similarly, by knowing the values of tan function, you can find the value of cot function. Sine 0 is 0, its reciprocal cosecant 0 is infinity. Sine 30 is 1 by 2, its reciprocal cosecant 30 is 2. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2, its reciprocal cosecant 45 is root 2. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2, its reciprocal cosecant 60 is 2 by root 3. Sine 90 is 1, its reciprocal cosecant 90 is 1. Similarly, reciprocal of cos function is secant. Secant 0 is 1. Secant 30 is, take its reciprocal, 2 by root 3. Secant 45, root 2. Secant 60, 2. Secant 90, 0. Tan 0, 0. So cot 0 is infinity. Cot 30 is root 3. Cot 45 is 1. Cot 60 is 1 by root 3. Cot 90 is infinity. So what is the reciprocal of infinity? 0. So here cosecant 0 is infinity. Similarly, secant 90 is infinity. Secant 90 is infinity. But cot 90 becomes 0. Okay? Yes. So these are the standard angles. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಮೇಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಇದೆ. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ತುಂಬ ಸುಲಭ ಇದೆ, ಆದರೆ ಒಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಫನ್. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Consider first 5 whole numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Divide each number by 4. 4 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಪ್ರತಿ ನಂಬರನ್ನು. 0 by 4 is 0, 1 by 4, 2 by 4 is 1 by 2, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4 is 1. Take its root, square root anna tago. Square root of 0, square root of 1 by 4, square root of 1 by 2, square root of root 3 by 4, square root of 1. Yes. If you read in the forward direction, you get the sign values. Note. Forward direction, sin 0 is 0, sin 30 is 1 by 2, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2, sin 90 is 1. If you read from the backward direction, you get the values of cos function. Cos 0 is 1, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2, cos 90 is 0. If you divide sin value by cos value, you get tan value. So this is how a simple fun which is used to remember the values of the standard angles of the trigonometric functions. Okay. Now let us do some problems on these standard angles. Okay. Now let us take one problem. Prove that secant 30 plus tan 60 secant 30 plus tan 60 plus sin 45 into cosec 45 plus sin 45 into cosec 45, okay, plus cos 30 into cot 60 plus cos 30 into cot 60 is equal to 7 by 2. This we have to prove. So what is LHS? Secant 30 plus tan 60 plus sin 45 into cosec 45 plus cosec 30 into cot 60. Cosec 30 into cot 60. Okay. What is secant 30? It is the reciprocal of cos 30. Cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. So secant 30 value is 2 by root 3 plus, is it a cos secant 60 or secant 30? Right, secant 30. And what is tan 60? Root 3 plus sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Cosec 45 is root 2 plus cosec 30 is 2. Cot 60. What is cot 60? Tan 60 a reciprocal. Cot 60 is 1 by root 3. Okay. 2 by root 3 plus root 3. These two can be cancelled. Plus 1 plus 2 by root 3. Okay. So this 2 by root 3 plus 2 by root 3 becomes 4 by root 3. 4 by root 3 plus root 3 plus 1. Take root 3 as the LCM. 4 plus 3 4 plus 3 plus root 3. 4 plus 3 plus root 3. What is 4 plus 3? 7 plus root 3 divided by root 3. But the asked answer is different. Probably there may be some error in the question. Just I will rectify it. Cos 30, cot 60. That is correct. Cosec 45, sin 45. That is also correct. Secant 30 is correct. Tan 60 is also correct. But the asked answer is 7 by 2, which is not coming now. 7 by 2 baralla. Cos 30 root 3 by 2, secant 32 by root 3, tan 60 is root 3, sin 45 that is 1, cosec 30 is 2, cot 60 is 1 by root 3. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಇದನ್ನು? ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ಆಗ 3 ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 4 by 3 plus 4. That will be different. ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ 7 plus root 3 ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮಿಷ. 7 plus root 3 divide by root 3 ಆಗತ್ತೆ. Once again, secant 30 value is correct. 2 by root 3, tan 60 is root 3, 1, cosec 30 is 2, cot 60 is 1 by root 3. 2 by root 3 plus root 3 plus 1 plus 2 by root 3, 2 by root 3 plus 2 by root 3 is 4 by root 3 plus root 3 plus 1, 4 plus root 3 into root 3 is 3 plus root 3, 7 plus root 3 by root 3. That must be our final answer. Okay. Now let us take one more problem. This is to prove that 7 by 2 baralla illi. It is a textbook question. Next, find x. Find x. ಕೆಲವು ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಕಾಸ್ 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸೈನ್ 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇಂಟು ಕಾಟ್ 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಸೈನ್ 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇಂಟು cot 30 degree. Okay. X into what is the tan 45? As you know, its value is 1. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3, whereas cot 30 is root 3, reciprocal of tan 30. 1 square is 1. This is x by 2. Root 3 into root 3 is 3 by 2. So 2 cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. X is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is how you can find the value of x from the given equations. Similarly, let us take one more problem. Tan square 45 degree minus cos square 30 degree. Tan square 45 degree minus cos square 30 degree. That is equal to x into sin 45 into cos 45. X into sin 45 into cos 45. Okay. What is tan 45? 1 minus cos 30 root 3 by 2. It's a square. X into Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. 1 square is 1 minus root 3 whole square is 3 by 4. This is x divided by 2. 4 is the LCM. 4 minus 3, 1 by 4 is equal to x by 2. Therefore, 2 1s are 2 2s are, x is equal to 1 by 2. So, that must be our final answer. Now, let us take one more problem of the same kind. X into cosecant square 30 degree, secant square 45 degree. X into cosecant square 30 degree, secant square 45 degree. Divide by 8 cos square 45 degree, sin square 45 degree. 8 cos square 45 degree, sin square 45 degree. That must be equal to tan square 60 degree minus tan square 30 degree. Tan square 60 degree minus tan square 30 degree. Okay. Now let us substitute the values. X into sin 30 1 by 2. So cosecant 30 becomes 2. 2 square. Secant 45 is reciprocal of cos 45. Divide by 8 into cos 45 is 1 by root 2. It's a square. Sin 45 is also 1 by root 2. It's a square. Tan 60 is root 3. It's a square. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. It's a square. Now substitute the values. X into 4 into root 2 whole square is 2. 8 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. That is equal to root 3 whole square is 3 minus 1 by 3. This is x into 4 into 2. This is 8 divided by 4 becomes 2 is equal to 3 is the LCM. 9 minus 1 by 3. So, matte 2 cancel agatte. Therefore, what is x? 8 divided by 3. E 4 kuda denominator baratte. So, that is equal to 4 1s are 4 2s are. So, finally, the value of x becomes 2 by 3. Okay. Now, let us take one more problem. X into cot square 30 degree cot square 30 degree minus 2 sin square 30 degree minus 3 by 4 cosecant square 45 degree. (45 degree) is equal to tan square 60 degree. Tan square 60 degree minus 2 tan 45 degree. Okay. Substitute the values. X into what is cot 30 root 3 whole square minus 2 into what is sin 30 2. It's a square. Sorry, sin 30 value is 1 by 2. So that must be 1 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 4. What is cosec 45? Root 2 whole square is equal to tan 60 is root 3 whole square minus 2 into tan 45 is 1. X into root 3 whole square is 3 minus 2 into 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4 into root 2 whole square is 2, 3 minus 2. Root 3 whole square is 3 minus 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are. X into 6 minus 1, 5 by 2 minus 3 by 4, 2 1s are 2 2s are. That becomes 3 by 2 is equal to 3 minus 2 is 1. 2 is the LCM. 5x minus 3 divided by 2 is equal to 1. 5x minus 3 is equal to 2. 5x is equal to 5. Therefore, what is the value of x? X is equal to 1. So this is how you can do some problems on standard angles. So after learning this much, we can come to one more important thing that you have learnt in your 10th standard, the complementary ratios. Okay. Complementary ratios. So what are these complementary ratios? So you know complementary angles. What are complementary angles? If the sum of any two angles is equal to 90 degree, then those two angles are called complementary angles. In the geometry, suppose this is a right angle. So if you draw a line which will subtend some angle and another angle, it need not bisect. Bisect ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. These two angles together form right angle. ನೋಡಿ ಎರಡು angles ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸೇರಿಸಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? Right angle ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 90 degree ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So these two angles are called complementary angles. Suppose if it is 30 degree, then definitely this angle must be equal to 60 degree. So 30 degree plus 60 degree, that gives you 90 degree. So 30 degree and 60 degree are the complementary angles. Similarly, in trigonometry, you have the complementary ratios. So how these complementary ratios can be understood? See, sine of, I will explain, 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos of 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Tan of 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Cosec of 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta. Secant of 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. And finally, cot of 90 minus theta is tan theta. Okay. So tan and cot are complementary ratios. Tan and cot are complementary ratios. Similarly, cosec and secant are complementary ratios. Cosec and secant are complementary ratios. See, tan and cot are complementary ratios. Secant and ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೀಕೆಂಟ್, ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೋಸೆಕ್, ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಆಗಲೇ. ದಿಸ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಕೋಸೆಕ್. Cosec of 90 minus theta. Okay. Cosec and secant are complementary ratios. Similarly, sine and cos are complementary ratios. So, what are these complementary ratios? See, this is a right angle triangle. ABC. This is right angle, this is theta. Okay. How do you define sin theta? For theta, this is opposite side, this is adjacent side, and this is hypotenuse. How do you define sin theta? Sin theta is AB by AC. Sin theta is AB by AC. Cos theta is, how do you define cos theta? BC by AC. Tan theta is AB by BC. Cosec theta is AC by AB. Secant theta is AC by BC. Cot theta is BC by AB. Okay. So these are the trigonometric functions. Now let us take one more triangle. So no doubt here also it is right angle. Here also it is theta. But this angle becomes 90 minus theta. ಈ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ 90 ಮೈನಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಸ್, 90 ಮೈನಸ್ ಥೀಟಾಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಇರೋ ಸೈಡ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಬಿ ಸಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋ ಡೌಟ್ hypotenuse position is always fixed in a right angle triangle, and this is adjacent side. Okay. What is the sine of 90 minus theta? Nodri, sine of 90 minus theta, opposite is BC, hypotenuse is AC. But what is BC by AC from this above triangle? Cos theta. What is cos of 90 minus theta from the same triangle? Adjacent is AB, hypotenuse is AC. But what is AB by AC from this triangle? AB by AC, that is nothing but sin theta. So that is why sin of 90 minus theta is cos theta, cos of 90 minus theta is sin theta. Similarly, you can prove these results. Tan of 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta, cosec of 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta, secant of 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta, cot of 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. So this is how the journey of trigonometry continues. You have learnt a small things, very small things in your 10th standard. In PU, you are going to study in detail the different dimensions of the trigonometry and also their applications. Okay. So illige ನಾವು ಈ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಇಂಟ್ರಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಬಂದಾಗ ಮಂಡೆಯಿಂದ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅವತ್ತಿನ ದಿವಸ ನಾವು ಇನ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. hostel students, probably you might be reporting on Sunday, and day scholar students, you are reporting on Monday directly for the classes. All of us are eagerly waiting. Siddhganga is eagerly waiting for your arrival. We are eagerly waiting to teach you. We are eagerly waiting to create your future. Okay, thank you, one and all. Thank you.